If you're seeing the message, "We're having trouble making sure it's you," while trying to log into PayPal, it usually means the system is blocking the login attempt for security reasons. One of the first things you should try is clearing your browser's cache and cookies, since outdated session data can interfere with verification. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are checked, then clear the data and restart your browser before visiting PayPal again. Another common cause is using a VPN or proxy service, which can trigger security alerts because PayPal detects the connection as coming from an unusual location. Turn off any VPN, switch back to your normal internet connection, and try logging in again. If the error still appears, avoid repeated login attempts and wait a few hours, as too many failed verifications can temporarily lock the system. In most cases, giving it some time resets the security check and allows you to sign in normally.